Open heart surgery is a hard thing to practice in the real world, and airplane pilots cannot learn from their mistakes mid-air. These are some scenarios where virtual reality solves really hard problems, but the technology has limits. That's the upshot of a review of experimental research on VR published in the journal Nature Human Behavior. Virtual reality is not for everything, said Jeremy Bailenson, lead author and director of Stanford's Virtual Human Interaction Lab. According to Bailenson, VR as a medium is very intense as it blocks out the real world and can make users uncomfortable or even make them experience simulator sickness, a type of motion sickness. While companies like Meta and Apple have invested heavily in the tech, betting on wide consumer adoption, the review's findings show it's better used in short doses, minutes, not hours, and only for certain things. The researchers recommend saving VR for DICE experiences, those which, if done in the real world, would be dangerous, impossible, counterproductive, or then expensive. Some examples of what to do and not to do in VR from the paper's 5 core findings include to travel to awesome or personally challenging places. The visceral nature of VR lends itself well to experiences where being there really matters. In fact, some psychologists are using VR in exposure therapy, allowing people to face something they fear while they are physically safe. One study found that people treated for fear of flying with VR had no return of their symptoms 3 years later. VR's value, however, fades if the environment is not dramatic. While there were hopes during the pandemic that people would turn to VR for more engaging meetings, that idea failed to catch on.
Irongomed is a leading distributor, working in partnership with NewMed and WestMed to meet the comprehensive needs of the Namibian healthcare sector. As a partner pursuing sustainable global healthcare, we offer industry-leading medical solutions through our key focus areas, which include pharmaceuticals, orthopedics, ophthalmology, surgical devices and capital equipment, as well as a well-established scientific laboratory division. In healthcare, Irongomed is committed to making a difference. What about you?